Are you curious how small investors turn modest sums into major portfolios? Well, it's all about leveraging. And today, we're showing you how it's done. Hi everyone, I'm Rusty, your independent buyer's agent. And today, I'm going to show you how leveraging could be your key to unlocking significant property investments, even with a smaller initial sum. Leverage, in simple terms, means using borrowed money to amplify your potential returns. You're essentially using a small amount of your own money to make a much larger investment. Now, investing in property using leverage can seem like you are on the fast track to wealth. And it can be. By diversifying and building your property portfolio, you could see incredible returns. But remember, it's not all smooth sailing and not everything is risk-free. It's crucial to understand that leverage can swing both ways. If the income from your investment is less than the cost of your borrowing, you could end up with a leveraged loss, which might be more than you bargained for. That's why doing your homework, through research and due diligence, is absolutely non-negotiable. So whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, leverage can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Make sure you're well informed and ready for the ride before you jump in. If you found this insight helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to tackle the property market like a pro. If you got any questions or want to share your experience with leveraging, drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining me as we explored the power of leveraging in property. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step. So like, subscribe and comment below to join our community of smart investors. Catch you in the next video.